We got our truck here today. Got a Land Rover 2008 with 100K. Got a hood with a bend on the left hand side. The rest of the hood is clean. The truck is blue. Got a front rebar. Got a left front suspension complete. Got a left front door. Got a power mirror. They are black texture. Power folding. Got a left hand rear running board. Got a left hand door rear clean. Got a left rear suspension complete. Those are black wheels, 19-inch. They're 10-spoke. Not sure what year Land Rover they come off. We're going to try to figure that out. They're all in pretty good shape. That's the worst one with a 1G1. Got a repainted rear quarter. Clean. Got a broken tail light. The lid gate, 2 pieces. The lower has a couple scratches. The upper is clean. Comes with the camera and hinges. Lower comes with the hinges and those reverse lights. Rear bumper complete with sensors minus the reflectors. They're cracked. Got a right rear tail light. Got a right rear quarter repaint. Got a right rear suspension. Got a right rear door. Got a right front door. Got another power mirror, power folding, black texture. This does have a sunroof. Got a right front fender, right front suspension. This running board's got a little tweak in it, but it's probably still usable. If somebody's looking for it, we don't inventory them. I have a grill. It's black. It's got the 4.4 liter. It does run good. It's all here. Bolted radiator support, still good. Interior, memory driver's seat. It's a little warm, but it's still in great shape. Master window switch. Does have the Hardman Carman. Has a CD player in the glove box. Has a nav in the rear. Has a clean screen. Auto heated controls. Front and rear heated seats. Nice shifter. The knob. The console is in good shape, but the cover is broken. So if you're looking for a good console and you have a good cover, give us a call. We'll hook you up. Got a sunroof with tracking motors. Good bags all around. With a module. Just flipped 100K. Starts right up. No check engine lights. Runs great, idles smooth. It does yard drive. There's the radio lit up with the nav. It's got those heated controls, all the wheel stuff. The passenger seat's in great shape. The back seat's perfect. If you need any parts off this '08, give me a call.